generally don't make videos like this, but I just wanted to go ahead and review the course that Jordan has made. He definitely knows what he's doing. I followed the course to the T, and I was able to get my channel monetized within almost a little over a week. And I've had this course for I think a little over a month and a half. I didn't get started on it right as I bought it, but anyway, as you can see, he has a bunch of stuff in his course, and if you follow it, I promise you, you will make money. You just have to implement everything he does and says throughout the course, and you're on your way to making money. It may not be a lot at first, but things like this exponentially grow. So as your channel grows, you'll obviously make more money. And once you have so many subscribers built up, it catapults you by itself. Like I was saying, exponentially growing and exponentially making more money. Uh, I want to go ahead and show you some proof that I have made money. This is my first month making money, so I'm pretty psyched about that. As you can see, I blurred out a couple things for my personal identity. But anyway, as you can see, on the 6th of March, I got a deposit from Google for a little over $5,200. And so this is like almost life changing for me because I'm a college student and I'm having to pay for my own college. So $5,200 is like a super big amount for me to help me pay for college and all the necessities that you need. And I just want to inspire others that are on the fence about the course to go ahead and take it because I mean, the course isn't very much money for what you can make. I mean, as you can see, I've made I've made the course back so many times, and it only took me a month. I mean, I may be a rare exception because I mean I'm sure not everyone is able to make the money like I have within a month. But you just have to choose the niche carefully and implement the ways that he says, and I promise you, you're on your way to making money. But as you can see, I'm proof that it works. I will say that my channel has to do with podcasts, so I mean that automatically gives it away. Basically, what I do with my channel. To go further in detail, I might as well. I mean, I gave you that much information. I chop up the podcasts, the parts that are really interesting from people like Joe Rogan and several others, mostly Joe Rogan because he's really hot. Uh, and then I just put it in little sample videos and upload that. And I promise you, I mean, I'm sure you're not going to be able to do it just like me, but if you find something that's hot, that's the best thing to do because if you just post old things, I mean, you're not going to get any views. So you want to ride the trend, like Jordan has said multiple times. You need to ride the trend, no matter what it is. If you disagree with it, I mean, if you want to make money, you kind of have to do some things that you disagree with sometimes. But that's a prime example. Is I use Joe Rogan podcasts. I chop them up, I post them, and I make a good bit of money. But I mean, as you can see, Jordan's made a lot of money too. You can look on his YouTube channel. He shows his bank account multiple times. And this is my screenshot too. I've made a little bit of money, not nearly compared to what he makes. But I mean, I'm just telling you, it is possible, especially with following the course. This is the best course I've ever taken. I've taken several others, but none of them have the quality that this one has because they're basically ripping all the ideas that Jordan has and putting it on their course. So they're basically stealing from him, if you want my honest opinion. But as you can see, I'm doing very good with it. I think next month I'll maybe make over a little bit over 5,000. But I mean, with things like this, you never know how much money you can make because if you have a viral video, I mean, you could easily double the amount I just made. If you have multiple viral videos, you can just imagine. So, I mean, you just want to put great quality videos up and ride the trend, like I was saying. But I just wanted to show you this review that it is possible to make money with the course. And like I was saying, I generally don't do reviews or anything like that because uh, I post compilations like he does. So it may not be the best quality, but I just wanted to go ahead and inspire others that, I mean, there is an option here. I mean, it is a great option to jump on this. It's not that much money. You can make a lot, and at most, you just lost a little bit of money. So I just want others to jump on this and take advantage of it, because people that are young like me, uh, like in college, and you need to pay bills and stuff, this is a great opportunity to go out there and electronically make your money and not have to go to a 9 to 5 job. So I can confidently say that this method works. And thank you, Jordan. And I want others as well to jump on and uh, join the journey with me and Jordan. But like I said, it works. Just follow the instructions, and you're on your way to making money.